Happy birthday, Melay. Okay, this is my wish for you. This is actually a Bible verse. It says on Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plan to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." So this Bible verse says everything already. So happy birthday and God bless you and your family.
Birthday, Tita. I wish you happy birthday. Bless you all.
Hi Melai, how are you? Wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Take care, God bless.
Happy birthday, Auntie Mela. I hope you enjoy your birthday. We love you and we will always love you. Bye. Happy birthday, Auntie Mela. Hope you enjoy your birthday. We love you. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Melay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Wish you a happy birthday and more income to come! Millions! Love, love, love!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anta. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Hannah. Wish you happy birthday.
All the best, Rayana. Have a nice day. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Anta.
Happy birthday, Anta. Happy birthday, Anta.
Wish you happy birthday, Rehana.
Oh, man. Ipat galing ha.
Happy birthday, Rehana.
What? Thank you, Patagga.
Mangin.
Birthday, Tita Lani. Thank you sa lahat. We love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. We miss you po.
Happy birthday sa iyo, tita, and sana maging masaya ka ngayon sa birthday mo. And I wish you na maging healthy ka palagi, and sa susunod pa, sa ibang araw pa, maging healthy ka lagi. And I wish you na maging maganda ka and sexy, and yun lang. And happy birthday sa iyo. I wish you na maging pogi pa ako. Tok lang. Happy birthday ulit, tita. Bye!
Happy birthday, Tita, and I hope you enjoy your day. And I hope that you have a good health for the long run para, may energy, para mas mag-grind pa, para may magawa pang wins in your life. So, ayun lang naman, Tita. And, yeah, God bless po, and happy birthday po ulit.
Hi Tita, happy birthday po. Thank you for everything. Stay pretty, I love you.
Happy birthday, Lani! Wish ko lang sana marami pang birthday at dumating sa'yo. And ingat palagi kayong yung mga anak. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ining Lani. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Ne, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And more birthday to come. Thank you sa lahat. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, kapatid. I wish na more good health, more birthday to come, and nawa maging masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon, sa araw na to. Ingatan mo palagi ang iyong sarili, magpapahinga, matutulog, at umihi. Happy birthday. Good luck sa iyong business. Nawa ay marami kang maging buyers pa. Happy birthday again, and God bless.
Happy birthday sa iyo. At sana ay maraming magagawa sa iyong birthday. Happy birthday. Uli. Mahal na mahal ka lang. I love you. I love you so much.
Ma'am. Happy birthday, Milani. At sana ay lagi ka nang maalala mo ang Diyos, magdadasal ka lagi. At ingatan mo ang iyong sarili.
Ayan.
At happy birthday ulit. Yun lang. At
Tama.
ikaw ay mahal na mahal namin.
Tama.
Happy birthday.
Nasa.
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Mama! Love you! Have fun in your birthday! More birthdays to come! Amen. Happy birthday, Mama! I love you, Mama, 3 times a day. Bye!
Hello. Hi, Mama. Wish you a happy birthday. Wish all your dreams come true. And another year of success, happiness, joy, good health, and love. We love you a lot. Keep doing the good thing. We are so lucky to have you, Mama. Thanks for everything what you're doing for us. God bless you. We love you. Bye bye. Happy birthday.